Hi, Dr. Sumit. Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, I can't see you. Okay, now I can. Yes, hi,
Yes,
how are
ma'am.
you doing?
Everything is fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
I'm fine as well and incredibly happy to know about your wonderful result today.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. It's all because of you people. You always supported me throughout my journey, ma'am. Thank you so much again for that.
Yeah, many congratulations, and yes, please feel free to share how your journey has been with Khaira Education and how you feel now that you've got this result. Please go ahead.
Ma'am, first of all, I would like to extend like my thank you to you, first of all, ma'am. And this was, ma'am, second time I was appearing for the exam. Uh, during the first time, ma'am, I got failed in one subset, that is writing, ma'am. I got 300, and after that, I contacted with Anna, ma'am, and she said that you have to focus more on the writing section, and definitely you will be passed. So today I got, ma'am, 400 in the writing.
Yes, which is an incredible score, by the way. So, good job, honestly.
Thank
And
you,
it's
ma'am.
your hard work. I mean, you were sending regular assessments and all. And what did you think about the training for other modules as well?
Ma'am, it was extremely good, ma'am. Seriously, I never ever seen a coaching before like yours, ma'am. Seriously, ma'am. I met two more students of Khaira Education there in OET Center, ma'am. They also said the same thing about you, and particularly, especially about you, ma'am,
Thank
because
you.
you seriously made the reading subset very easy, ma'am. And every time after the like, for example, I would like to talk about first, ma'am, like listening, that things that you explain after the subset or after the uh, any mock test, ma'am, is pretty good, ma'am. Reading, uh, no one can be better than you. Seriously, ma'am. It's amazing. I focused more on the A part, ma'am, A part and the B part, because much of the students like me, they know C part is totally unpredictable. We just can't imagine how it will be. But A and B, like ma'am, in my exam it was doable, ma'am. And the speaking part, it's very easy, ma'am. Speaking part, ma'am, because we usually deal with the patients on the daily basis, ma'am. So it was okay for me. And writing the content, the papers that you say during the coaching time, ma'am, they were almost the same, ma'am. Like the paper I got, it was almost same. I got about the physiotherapist, ma'am, that you are referring a patient to a physiotherapist.
Right.
And
Yeah, so you
yes,
had
ma'am.
a variety of practice already. So that's good to know. And how do you feel now that today you got your amazing result?
Yes, ma'am, it feels good because it was not easy, but it was doable, ma'am. Because being a government medical officer, uh, it was not easy. But I focused more on the writing section this time, ma'am. And one most important thing is that, ma'am, uh, I never left my preparation in between, ma'am, because I was more focused on like coaching material and the recordings that you provide after the mock test and or any sub test, ma'am. Because these are most important thing, ma'am. We have to listen. We have to more focus on the skills. Only skills matter, ma'am. And everything was done, ma'am.
Yeah, so it's a teamwork, right? So you have also
Yes,
worked
ma'am.
quite hard, and as you said, like you properly went along with the course and how things were suggested. So
Yes,
it's
ma'am. Ma'am. You have to stick with the course, ma'am. That's all what you need, ma'am. Everything will be managed, ma'am, at the end.
yes. So great. Many congratulations once again. And I'm sure a lot of other
Thank you,
people
ma'am.
will be looking up to you and your story. So thank you for sharing that with everybody. And all
Thank you,
the
ma'am.
best for all your future endeavors. And please always keep telling us about all the great things that you will achieve in the future as well.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.